Hi, I'm Justin with Woodland Direct, and today we're going to be unboxing the superior Mossy Oak Ventless gas log set. This log set comes in 3 different boxes, one box containing the burner and the other 2 boxes containing the gas logs. The first thing you're going to need to do is inspect the boxes for damage. Make sure there's no holes or any obvious dents. Secondly, you're going to need to open the 2 boxes containing the logs. Be sure to give an inspection of each individual log and make sure there's no damage. If there is any damage, please give us a call right away. Let's unbox the product. Now that the product has been unboxed, you can place the gas logs off to the side for later. Inside the first box, you'll find the burner, the installation manual, the lava rock, the hardware, and the safety tags. On there is the type of fuel that your gas logs are designed to burn. Please make sure that is the fuel that you have available. And that is everything you need to know about unboxing your superior Mossy Oak Ventless gas log set. If you'd like to know how to install this log set, please click the link in the description below. And if you have any questions, please give us a call at 800-919-1904 or look us up online at www.woodlanddirect.com.